Hey, it's Phillip with Kairos Garage Doors again. So on today's episode of Garage Door People, so what we have right here, this company right here, just changed out the springs recently. Brand new springs on the garage door. So your door is going to stop at your knees, your waist, your shoulders. So if it doesn't do that, then there's something wrong. So when I let go of the door, this is what you call the wrong springs on the garage door. What that does is your little motor back there, whenever the door comes up and down, it's having to push extra. You have a metal gear on top, plastic inside. What it'll do is it'll strip that gear out. Brand new motor, wrong springs. So this customer, this happens all the time. You need to watch who you call and bring to your garage. So Phillip at Kairos Garage Doors, I'm always taking care of my customers. Customers are first. But 682-412-2564. We're gonna get this done. Came out here for a keypad, but it's just, why do people do stuff like that? Why do people take advantage of people? If you don't have the right stuff, don't put it on the door. But for all your garage door needs, give me a call, because I will take care of you. I'm actually giving them a discount because of this stupidity right here. All right, thanks. Bye.